welcome to our channels. Today we are taking on vibrant journey through times, traditions and texture as we dive deep into the words. Mimar, the iconic whether you are fashion lovers, our culture or someone curious about East African heritage, you are in for a treat. Don't forget to like, subscribe and let us know favorite Mimar style in the comment. Mimar is not just it's a story rooted in ancient Highland traditions. Mimar has been worn symbolizing identity, pride and ceremonies. Historically, it was handcrafted cotton-based paste fabrics. Women wore it for wedding holiday like the following fabric, the intricate pattern along the border and the elegant fits reflect the craftsmanship passed on through generations. The word Mimar itself it drive for the Amhira word of learning, grace, wisdom and dignity which the dress embodies. Each Mimar is a new piece of art. The process spun by and dyed using natural colors. It's them woven and traditional looms usually operated by skilled artisans more than it town like wonder. The most ice crafting parts, the colorful embroidery dash lines, hems and sleeves. This pattern vary by regions and tribe communities having their own distinct designs. I can take day to week to make just one, which me more deeply personal and uniquely valuable. Fast forward today, Mimar has not only stood the time of its evolved modern designing are not imaging. Mimar is mixing with the color combination, skirts, modern fabrics, and even Western's influencer, creating a beautiful blend old and new from off shoulder designing to bold color combination. Mimar has become a staple not only at wedding and holiday but also at runaway global fashion weeks and international red carpet. Celebrities, influencers, and communities proudly wear Mimars to showcase their heritage and style and pride. In our world, fashion dominates. Mimar remind us for slow craftsmanship, culture, pride, and legacy. Wearing Mimar is more than style; it's about honoring where it's come from. It's about giving continuations. The mother of who passed down the throw and the design, breathing new life into it. It a dedication. I know my roots. I respect my culture, and I carry it with my pride. Accessories often include needle shawl wrapped around the shoulder, A rich embroidery often served for royalty and nobility in the past. Don't forget the hair. Traditional hairstyles complete the full look, connecting fashion, identity. Until next time, stay stylish and stay rooted. Drop a comment below what your favorite Mima's color on styles. Would you like me to tell us in the Mimar of the dress? Thank you for watching in celebrating the elegance and meaning for Mimar. If you enjoy the deep into fashion, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more culture content and share it with someone who would love Mimar's to dress. Drop a comment below what your favorite Mimar's color on styles.